The premium razor sales sign is extremely durable. The graphic has a black reinforced pull pocket, making it extremely durable for the harshest outdoor conditions. The hardware poles are made from carbon composite, making them extremely flexible and strong. This gives the hardware poles a lifetime warranty. The premium razor sales sign comes in 4 sizes. It comes in a 7-foot, 9-foot, 13-foot, and 17-foot. The premium razor sales sign graphic is available single or double-sided. The single or double-sided kits are also available as an indoor or outdoor kit. Indoor kits come with a water ballast and scissor base, and outdoor kits come with a spike base. The premium razor sales sign is truly an attention getter, whether placed indoors or out. With a lifetime warranty on pole hardware, with a reinforced pull pocket on the graphic, and a variety of sizes, the premium razor sales sign is truly your go-to sales sign for any event.